In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited fake Facebook accounts for absolutely free. The method is very simple, but do watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. As you can see, I have the Facebook sign up page open. So click on create new Facebook account. Click on next. Enter your full name here. Again, click on next. Enter your date of birth and click on next. Select your gender. Next. Now it's asking you to enter your mobile number, but what you have to do is to click on this option which says sign up with email address. Now the next part is very important. So as you can see that it's asking for email address. So what you need to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar type temp TEMPMAIL. Click on this first link. As you can see, it's saying that your temporary email address is loading. So wait for a few moments. Once the email address is visible, click on copy, go back to Facebook again and paste the email address here. Click on next. Create a password for your Facebook account. Then click on next. Click on the sign up option. Wait for a few moments. Now an OTP code is sent to your fake email address. So in order to get the OTP, go back to your internet browser. Scroll down and here you will see this inbox option, and below this you will see that you have received the OTP which is 72620. So go back to Facebook and paste the OTP code here. After that, click on confirm and that's it. Your fake Facebook account is created. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.